Let me walk you through the future, unveiled at Google I/O 2025. From revolutionary AI models to next-gen creative tools, Google just changed the game. At the heart of it all is Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google's most powerful AI yet. With a massive 1 million token context window, it can understand entire code bases, books, and even videos. Let's dive into what this means. In simple terms, context refers to how much background information a language model considers when generating text. For instance, if we type "I went to the store and bought some apples," our AI companion might ask, "Which store?" That's because it has a limited understanding of our conversation. However, with Gemini 2.5 Pro's colossal 1 million token context window, things change dramatically. This means the AI can keep track of 10 books worth of text, each containing around 100,000 tokens. As we chat, it remembers every detail, making our interactions more natural and seamless. Let's see it in action. Here's a huge research paper on deep learning. Instruct Gemini to summarize it, and voila, we get a concise overview in seconds. And here's a complex math problem. Ask Gemini to solve it and watch it work its magic. The incredible thing about Gemini 2.5 Pro is that it can handle not just text, but also images, audio, and soon video. It's like having a hyper-intelligent friend who's great at analyzing and summarizing information. But unlike a friend, Gemini doesn't get tired, and it's always ready to learn from new inputs. Now let's explore how Gemini Advanced takes this a step further. Imagine having your own personal AI assistant inside Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. Well, now you do. Gemini Advanced allows you to harness the power of 2.5 Pro directly within your favorite apps. No more switching between windows. You can draft emails, summarize long threads, write proposals, and much more, all in real time. Let's check out how this works. Here we are in Gmail, and this long email thread can be overwhelming. But wait, there's a small but powerful icon. That's the Gemini Advanced icon. Simply click it and instruct Gemini to summarize the thread. Boom, we have a concise summary of the conversation. Next up, we're in Docs, and you can see I've started writing a report, but I am stuck on this section. Clicking the Gemini Advanced icon again, I ask it to complete the paragraph and then add some bullet points with key takeaways. Wow, the results are impressive, and I'm back on track with my writing. Now we're in Sheets, and I need to analyze this sales data. With Gemini Advanced, I can ask it to generate charts and formulas to visualize the data. And finally, we're back in Gmail, and I've received an email with an attachment. Click the Gemini Advanced icon one last time and ask it to summarize the attached PDF. Seamlessly integrated AI assistance is here. But wait, there's more! Introducing Gemini Live, a groundbreaking development that brings AI to your fingertips in a whole new way. Forget about text-based prompts. With Gemini Live, the AI assistant observes what you see through your camera and listens to your real-time conversations. It responds naturally, almost as if it were a part of your surroundings. This opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine having an AI chef that guides you step by step as you cook, a personal trainer that watches your form, or a travel buddy that helps you navigate new cities. The potential applications are endless. On phones, Gemini Nano brings AI right to your pocket. Private, fast, and offline. Now picture this. You're rereading an interesting article on your phone, and suddenly you come across a passage you want to revisit later. Instead of highlighting and copying the text, you simply highlight it and ask Gemini to summarize it in a bubble. Voila! The AI instantly analyzes the highlighted portion and provides a concise summary, allowing you to quickly grasp the essence of the content without having to reread the entire passage. Isn't that convenient? It gets better. You can continue browsing, and if you come across another part of the article you want to remember, you can repeat the process. Gemini keeps track of all your highlights and summaries, making it easy to revisit and review the most important parts of the article. Whether it's a news story, a blog post, or anything in between, Gemini makes reading and researching on your phone faster and more efficient than ever before. One of the most exciting announcements at Google I/O 2025 was Project Astra, a remarkable AI agent from Google DeepMind that remembers what it sees and hears. This has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology, making it more intuitive and personalized than ever before. Imagine pointing your phone at a broken gadget and having Astra explain how to fix it. Or showing Astra a recipe and asking for a shopping list. These tasks may seem simple, but they require sophisticated reasoning and memory capabilities that traditional AI systems lack. Astra is trained on a massive amount of data, including text, images, and videos. It can process and understand complex information, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. What sets Astra apart is its ability to remember what it has seen and heard. This means that it can recall previous interactions and use them to inform its responses, making conversations more natural and meaningful. For example, if you ask Astra about a topic it has discussed with you before, it can pick up the conversation where you left off and provide follow-up questions or information. This level of interactivity is a significant step forward for AI technology, and it has the potential to transform how we interact with machines. Next, we have Veo 3, a powerful new addition to the Google AI family. Veo is a text-to-video AI that lets you generate cinematic quality footage just from a text prompt. With Veo, you no longer need to be a professional filmmaker or have access to expensive equipment to create stunning visuals. All you need is a computer or mobile device and a vivid imagination. To use Veo 3, you simply enter a text prompt describing the scene or footage you want to create. For example, you could type a surfer at sunset and Veo would generate a video of a surfer riding a wave at a beautiful sunset. The possibilities are truly endless. Veo uses advanced AI algorithms to analyze your prompt and generate high-quality video footage that matches your description. It takes into account factors such as lighting, perspective, and color to create a cohesive and immersive video experience. Veo is not just a tool for filmmakers and animators. It's also a powerful marketing and branding tool. With Veo, you can create unique and memorable video content that sets you apart from the competition. Whether you're promoting a new product, showcasing your portfolio, or telling a brand story, Veo gives you the tools to create professional-looking video content in minutes. Finally, we have Imagen 3, an incredibly advanced image generator from Google. What sets Imagen 3 apart is its stunning attention to detail, texture, lighting, and depth, making the generated images incredibly photorealistic. If you're a marketer, creator, or anyone who needs high-quality visuals, Imagen 3 is a game changer. All you need to do is enter a text prompt describing the image you want to generate. For example, you could type a futuristic city under a starry sky and Imagen 3 would generate an image of a futuristic city skyline at night, complete with stars twinkling in the background. The image would be so realistic that it would almost look like a photograph. There's more to love. At Google I/O 2025, Gemini wasn't just introduced to the world, it became part of our everyday lives, especially on Android and search. Now, whenever you need to explain a photo, generate code, or find that one document, just ask Gemini. On Android, it suggests replies in messages, finds files nearby in search. It even shows previews of web pages. It's like having a smart assistant right on your screen. And in search, it explains diagrams, finds similar images, and even writes poems. Just imagine the possibilities. Behind the scenes, DeepMind continues to push the boundaries of science and math with tools like AlphaFold, AlphaGeometry, and AlphaCode. These tools are used by researchers around the world to make breakthroughs in medicine, energy, and more. AlphaFold helps understand how molecules fold, which is key to developing new drugs. AlphaGeometry visualizes and solves problems in geometry, while AlphaCode tackles coding challenges with ease. These tools aren't just changing the game, they're rewriting it. And let's not forget about the developers. With Gemma, Google's open models, the code to train your own AI is free and accessible. Plus, Gemini APs are now available in Vertex AI, Firebase, and Android Studio, making it easier than ever to build AI-powered apps. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Google I/O 2025 showed us what's possible when technology empowers everyone. From the smallest device to the cloud, Gemini is ready to assist, create, and empower. What will you create with Gemini? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more AI adventures. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.